Cash App, let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab. You will see there is a stock section and a Bitcoin section. We want to be on the stock section, and I'm going to show you how to schedule your stock purchases. So I believe you can only do this after hours, like after 5 p.m. and on the weekends, because the stock markets are actually closed. So you can find a stock that you want to purchase. If you don't know how to purchase stocks or sell stocks or anything like that, just check out my other videos and tutorials linked below. Let's do Berkshire Hathaway. So what you want to do in order to schedule is tap buy, then you want to put in the amount that you want to purchase. So I'm going to do $1 and then next. You're going to put in your PIN. And then it's going to give you your order details, and you'll see right under the title there it's going to say tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. So that's when the stock market opens, and it will be able to make this purchase for you. Then all you need to do is tap schedule at the bottom of the screen. So there we go. It says your $1 order will be placed tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. and then you just tap done and you're good to go. There's nowhere on the investment tab that it says like your pending purchases or your scheduled purchases, but you can go to the history tab on the bottom right corner, and then right here you'll see pending. So your pending stock purchases will show up here. So if you purchase a bunch during the weekend, they will show up here, and you can tap on these, get the information. It's going to give it all there. And you also have the opportunity to cancel that if you like there on the right side of the screen. So there you have it, how to schedule stock purchases within Cash App. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Also, definitely check out my giveaway that's going on. That's why the notifications keep popping up there. I'm giving away $100 on Cash App. I'll link it down in the description so you guys can check it out. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.